I can't breathe right now, but can y'all get him out? Why am I getting arrested now? I called the police and I was assaulted.
I need you to get on.
I was attacked. What do you mean? Officer, I was assaulted first.
You grabbed the knife, didn't you?
Ma'am, I had to defend myself. I was scared for my life.
She tells the officer her brother attacked her inside their mother's house. She says he knocked her phone away, grabbed her clothes, pulled her by the hair, and punched her in the stomach. But instead of getting the answer she expects, she gets more questions. And what comes back from inside the house changes everything.
Didn't he just attack me? Here, right here.
You mind stepping up there?
No, I know nothing. My shoulder's dislocated from him throwing me around and attacking me.
Do you need medical assistance? You want?
I can't breathe right now, but can y'all get him out?
Okay, I'm trying to talk to you and see what happened.
I'm good. My shoulder hurt, but I don't know.
Do you need ambulance or medical attention? No. Okay, take a deep breath. It's okay. Are you okay? No? What's going on?
None.
Officers on a domestic call cannot remove someone from a house just because the person outside is asking for it. There has to be a reason, and that reason has to come from the investigation, not from whoever got to the door first.
My brother's a bum.
You guys all reside there?
Yeah.
Ma'am, do you just...
I don't have shoes on, ma'am. Can I put shoes on?
Okay, so
yeah.
Can you walk me through what happened?
Okay, it's Mother's Day. I bought my mom some food. He got mad because he...
Your hands out of your pocket.
I was leaving. I'm sorry. There's nothing in it.
Okay. So you guys were celebrating Mother's Day. You bought your mom some food.
Yeah, and I came in the house and he smacked my arm and smacked my phone out my hand.
So you came in with the food?
No, I came in just from outside.
Okay, so you went outside to
Yeah, because we were already arguing because he's mad that he couldn't.
So basically, it all started because you bought your mom food.
Yeah, and he couldn't buy her food.
And then what happened?
And then I came in the house. We got into an argument. I left. I came back in. I was on my phone, and he walked up to me and like hit my arm and smacked the phone in my hand. And then that's when we started fighting.
Okay, and then
he swung me around. I didn't swing on him or nothing. He started throwing me around, punched me in the stomach. Like
Do you have an ID on you by any chance?
I don't.
All right. Do you mind taking your hand out of your pocket? I appreciate it.
I don't have nothing, man. My shoulder hurts. That's why I'm having.
You need medical attention?
No.
No? You're okay then?
Yeah, for now.
Was your shoulder dislocated prior to this? Or?
No, ma'am. I don't know if it's dislocated. He threw me. He was fighting, attacking me.
What's your last name, ma'am?
Hamilton. I don't even know why they let him give a story. I called the police because he attacked me. He's in there lying because he's mental in the head.
We need to get everyone's story in order to essentially take a decision, right? Okay, so celebrating Mother's Day.
He in there lying to the police. So why is he talking to them?
Your brother.
Why are they not interviewing me?
So I'm doing that, ma'am. Like, I have to get everyone's story,
okay? And he's 2 times bigger than me.
Did you?
Calling police first does not decide who the victim is. In a family fight, officers have to compare each story with the injuries, the witnesses, and what the other people inside are saying.
I didn't do anything. I didn't, attack him or anything. I pulled it out to him to stay away. I was in the kitchen.
So this all happened in the kitchen or in the
No, it was in the living room and the kitchen. He was fighting in the kitchen.
So your brother was
and my mom was trying to get him off of me, and yeah.
Anyone else witnessed this?
It's my brother in there that has autism, but he can't speak.
Okay, so celebrating Mother's Day, brother was mad that you bought food for mom. And you guys mentioned that you guys all live here, right?
Yeah.
And then what happened? You came back inside?
Yeah, he attacked me.
What do you mean by that?
He attacked me. He smacked my phone out my hand and then started throwing me around. He hit me too. Like he swiped at me. He hit me.
Came inside, smacked phone out of your hand.
And hit me.
And then how?
What do you mean how? How what?
Where did he hit you?
He hit me across the body. He hit my whole body, basically hitting the phone in my hand, and then he started throwing me around.
So he slapped your phone out of your hand and hit your body.
Yeah.
Making contact with your body.
Yeah. And that's how it all started.
And then what happened from there?
Nothing. He was throwing me around and attacking me. And I told my mom.
How?
Huh? No, he was swinging me around. That's how my eyes hit the ground.
Like, where did he grab you to swing you around?
Grab me by my clothes.
Where was he specifically grabbing you?
And then he took my phone and threw it outside.
Okay, where was he specifically?
On my clothes, ma'am, and swinging me around. I don't know. He was throwing me around. I do remember.
I need this to essentially make sure every story.
Yes, he was grabbing my clothes, swinging me around, and by my hair.
Grabbing
Why should they shouldn't even be in there talking. They should be in there arresting him.
Okay, ma'am, like I mentioned, for these types of incidents, we have to get everyone's side of the story.
Okay.
And then
you take me first. That's the bottom line.
Okay. So, like I said, I have to get your side of the story. I have to get everyone else. Okay. So that's the reason I'm right here. That's why my partners are inside. Okay.
So they say he attacked me, and then that's how the fight started.
I'm gonna get your story.
Yes.
Now we're gonna switch with the song.
Yeah,
no, he attacked me. That's how this started.
Finish up with the.
So you were throwing around your clothes.
He was throwing me around, yes, and punching me.
Punching you? Where did he punch you?
The officer is trying to turn a broad story into details she can test. The only adult in that house who can actually speak to what happened is the mother. And right now, the officers inside are getting her version.
He just punched me on my stomach as you guys were knocking on the door. My lip is scratched right here.
How did that happen?
I said, my shoulder is basically disconnected.
Do you want to get checked out? Do you need EMS?
No.
How do you know it's disconnected? How do you know it's...
I don't know.
It just hurts?
Yeah, it's hurts.
If you got dislocated shoulder, get seen by the paramedics.
I don't know what's wrong, but no. Yeah, it's not dislocated. It's just bruised because he threw me.
Okay, from where to where?
In the living room. He was just throwing me around in the living room on the floor.
And what'd you do to protect yourself? Or
nothing. With no avail. Instead of getting him out.
And then what happened? You mentioned you got a scratch. How'd you get the scratch?
Him the way they should. From him.
How?
From him punching me and attacking me.
So punching you with closed fists?
Yeah. In my stomach, just in the body.
In the body? I mean, what happened? Like, how'd you get the scratch?
From him attacking me, ma'am. I don't remember specifically, but he was, from him throwing me around, grabbing at me, all of that. From him attacking me.
The officer stops asking what the brother did and starts asking what Hamilton did back. That kind of pivot usually means the officer already heard something from inside.
Why am I getting arrested, ma'am? I called the police and I was assaulted.
I need you to get on.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, and then put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
You are being arrested for domestic battery.
Ma'am, I'm the one that was assaulted first. I was attacked, ma'am, and I defended myself.
Can you walk?
Mom, are you serious right now, officer?
We're getting everything figured out.
Officer, I was attacked. What do you mean? Officer, I was assaulted first. Mom, are you serious? After he attacked me? After he attacked me, Mom? Really? After he attacked me? This is wow. Okay. Look, listen, nothing. Mom, you're defending it. I came in the house and he attacked me and you're defending it. He was punching me as the police were knocking on the door. Are you serious?
I didn't give no story. I don't know.
Are you serious?
Yeah, she's
Are y'all serious? How am I getting arrested and I call the police? Y'all, ma'am, please don't be aggressive. I'm not resisting. How am I being arrested right now after his technique? Please make it make sense. Please explain to me, how am I being arrested and I called the police after he attacked me and I tried to defend myself? I'm a woman, ma'am, and he's a man and he just threw me around my mom's house.
We'll speak right now, ma'am.
Ma'am, that's not right. This is not right, ma'am. I was attacked and I called the police and this is how I'm being treated and I'm assaulted and my arm is damn near broke.
Well, I asked if you need medical attention. Can I have you?
Ma'am, why am I being put in here though? Why am I being put in handcuffs? I called the police for being assaulted, ma'am, because I tried to defend myself against being attacked. What am I being arrested for, ma'am?
Domestic battery.
Ma'am, I am not the one that got battered. I did not even touch him. I never touched him, ma'am.
You grabbed the knife, didn't you?
Ma'am, I had to defend myself. I was scared for my life.
Claiming self-defense does not automatically beat a domestic battery charge. She is saying self-defense, but the officer is focused on what happened during that defense. That is the gap between how she sees the fight and how police are treating it.
What do you mean? Did I use a knife on him?
Sit down.
Did I use it on him?
We'll speak at the police station, okay?
Ma'am,
we'll speak at the PD. So please,
I should not be in arrested though, ma'am.
Step inside.
Can I get my phone?
Step inside.
Where's that? I cannot go to jail, please.
Okay, step inside.
Ma'am, please, stop do this, please, officer.
It's gonna be.
I got a strap, officer. This is not right.
Okay, we're gonna talk at the PD. Get inside. Come on. Get inside. We gotta shut the door. We gotta shut the door.
This is not right, sir.
We're shutting the door now.
This is not right.
Get that.
I ain't got to get your foot inside.
Get inside.
Hey, that's my not supposed to defend myself. I was attacked, officer. Yo, why y'all doing me like this?
Oh, if I can have you step out of the vehicle, I'm just gonna make sure you don't have anything else. Can I have you
Turn around.
turn around?
I'm trying to pull my pants up. Hold on, my shoulder hurts.
You want me to pull your pants up?
Yeah. Wait, my shoulder. Please, careful.
Can I have you? Can I have you spray the car? Can I have you spray?
Can you grab the spray on my car, please? one. Please, another. Y'all keep it there. Please, can I have another circle? Please, ma'am. I'll be good. I won't get no problem. I don't have anything on me. I really just woke up. I haven't that
You just had one.
No, please. This is what I didn't get to drink because I didn't know this was gonna happen. No, please. That's it right here. I want to show the top.
Okay, I just have to make sure.
Okay.
Are you sure you don't want to get checked out by paramedics or anything?
Okay, you can take an X-ray.
Alright, you can step back inside.
Can I get the quarter, please? My car right there.
Just get inside the vehicle.
The charge on camera was domestic battery. Did grabbing the knife make her the bigger danger in that moment? Or should police have treated it as self-defense first? Let us know what you think in the comments.